Hi, my name is Koen. I'm from the Netherlands and sales manager at Ograno. On the Ograno marketplace, verified coffee producers are listing their green coffees by themselves. As a result, it gives you access to an incredibly large amount of coffee to choose from. In this video, we will see how to navigate in the inventory and find your perfect match. We will first look at availability. As we are working with natural products that travel in containers from the other side of the world, not all coffees have the same availability. We evaluate availability of a coffee by using 4 criteria. First, sample availability. We usually receive 2 kilos of samples at the beginning of the harvest. Sometimes we get a refill, but not always. If a sample is not available, you can subscribe to be notified whenever it becomes available again. Second, shipping availability. In a shared or a custom shipment. While custom shipments are always available, shared shipments have a clear closing date. You can find those dates on each coffee lot page or by viewing the planner. Third, minimum order quantity. This is set by the producer. Depending on their distance and infrastructure, they may have fixed costs which are high per order. If the minimum order quantity is too high for you, don't hesitate to reach out to the producer. They are very open to discuss possibilities. And 4, number of bags available. This is also set by the producer. The number can evolve depending on the harvest and the sales. The only way to reserve your bags is by placing an order. Per default, the coffees are sorted by best availability. To ensure you see just available coffees, make sure you check the following filters. Samples available. In shared shipment, if you plan to order less than 100 bags. Choose a minimum order quantity and an available quantity. Under offer, tick harvest date is current offer. This is where you choose between coffees that are readily available for delivery versus coffees that will be harvested in the near future that you can pre-contract. Additionally, some producers decided to ship their coffee to a warehouse in Europe without having a customer. It's a risk they are willing to take, so that roasters can have fast delivery. You can access these lots by selecting spot and afloat as the location. Naturally, the choice here is a bit narrower. Now that you master availability, you can tweak the other filters to find your perfect match. There it should be self-evident, just click and see what comes out. We know that many roasters purchasing on Ograno are deeply interested in the producers behind the coffee. This is why we added the filter section Seller Properties, where you will be able to select only woman empowerment cooperatives. It's important to note that as the coffee harvests in various origins are different around the world, you can't book coffee from every origin at the same time. You can view the planner to find out which origins will be able to be ordered soon and when they will be delivered. Finally, we offer 2 handy tools to make sure you don't miss out on any offer. Save Search and Requests. For any filter combination, just click on Save Search and you will be notified as soon as there is a new coffee published matching your criteria. Didn't you find your desired coffee, or maybe you have a very specific demand? You can send coffee requests. It's free and it's the perfect way to get tailor-made offers. Now you know all the possibilities. Have a play yourself.